This is one of the most beautiful parrots in the world, bright, loud, and impossible to ignore. But here's something you might not believe. Once a rainbow lorikeet finds its partner, it stays with that one bird for life, much more faithful than many humans. Together they travel, feed, and even preen each other with gentle affection. Found along Australia's eastern coast, rainbow lorikeets live in pairs or noisy flocks, filling the sky with their chatter. They feed mainly on nectar and pollen, darting from flower to flower, but they'll also snack on fruit and blossoms. Highly social, playful, and affectionate, these parrots embody both beauty and loyalty. Their dazzling colors blend perfectly with the eucalyptus blossoms they love, nature's camouflage in a world of rainbows. Pteroglossus torquatus. With its long, colorful beak and vibrant plumage, the collared aracari, a type of toucan, lives in the tropical forests of Central America and northern South America. These birds are social, often traveling in small groups rather than alone. They nest in tree cavities and are known for their playful behavior. Their diet is largely fruit, but they will also eat insects and small animals, making them opportunistic feeders. The collared aracari's striking yellow chest with a black and red band makes it a jewel of the rainforest canopy. Yellow and red barbet. Native to East Africa, this barbet is a living mosaic of bright yellows, reds, and blacks. It thrives in dry savannas, scrublands, and rocky areas. Barbets are known for being territorial and less social than parrots or toucans, often living in pairs or small groups. They nest in burrows dug into the ground or termite mounds. Their diet includes insects, seeds, and fruit. With their bold colors and strong calls, they stand out as one of Africa's most dazzling but underrated birds. Flameback. The flameback woodpeckers of South and Southeast Asia are hard to miss with their shimmering golden backs and bright red crowns. These woodpeckers are not very social. They usually live alone or in pairs. They are expert climbers, using their strong bills to drum on trees in search of insects and larvae. Their diet consists of ants, beetles, and grubs, but they sometimes feed on fruit as well. The drumming sound of the flameback echoes through the forests, marking its presence like a heartbeat of the wild. The Resplendent Quetzal. In the misty cloud forests of Central America, the Resplendent Quetzal reigns as one of the most beautiful birds on Earth. Its shimmering green feathers and long streaming tail inspired ancient Mayan and Aztec cultures, who considered it sacred. Quetzals are shy and solitary except during breeding season, when they form pairs. They nest in tree holes, often carved out by woodpeckers. Their diet includes fruit, especially wild avocados, along with insects and small creatures. With their jewel-like colors and mythical history, Quetzals embody both natural beauty and cultural legend. Malachite Kingfisher. Small but radiant, the Malachite Kingfisher is a gem of sub-Saharan Africa's wetlands and rivers. Its electric blue back and fiery orange underparts glow under the sun. These birds are solitary hunters, perching quietly above water before diving at lightning speed to catch fish, insects, and crustaceans. They build nests in burrows along riverbanks. Though tiny, the Malachite Kingfisher commands attention with its brilliance, a symbol of patience and precision in the natural world. Among the most unusual birds in the world are the hornbills, creatures with giant beaks and curious helmets that make them look prehistoric. But behind their fierce look is a love story. Hornbills are famously loyal. When the female is ready to nest, she enters a hollow tree and seals herself inside with mud and droppings, leaving just a thin slit. Through this narrow opening, the male brings her food, fruit, insects, even small lizards, day after day for months. Few animals show such patience, devotion, and trust. One of the most remarkable species is the red-billed hornbill of sub-Saharan Africa. With its long, curved scarlet beak and bold black and white plumage, it stands out against the dusty savannas. These hornbills are often seen in pairs or small family groups, foraging on the ground for insects and seeds. Their loud, laughing calls carry across the landscape, a sound as wild as Africa itself. The red-billed hornbill is more than just beautiful. It's an engineer of the ecosystem. By spreading seeds and controlling insects, it keeps the balance of the savanna alive. And its story of lifelong loyalty makes it one of nature's greatest symbols of partnership. From the playful Rainbow Lorikeet of Australia to the sacred Quetzal of Central America, from Africa's jewel-like kingfisher to Asia's golden flameback, these birds remind us of Earth's breathtaking artistry. Each one is more than just beautiful. They are storytellers of survival, love, and the wonder of life itself.